Welcome to your morning meditation session designed to fill you with motivation and energy. This meditation will help you tap into the power within you, awaken your inner drive, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Whether you're preparing for a busy workday or simply want to start your day with purpose and vitality, this practice will give you the mental clarity and physical energy you need. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension or stress that may be lingering in your body. Today is a new day, full of opportunities and possibilities, and you are ready to embrace it with energy, focus, and motivation. Let's begin by grounding ourselves in the present moment. Sit in a comfortable position with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and hands resting gently on your knees or lap. If you feel comfortable, close your eyes or keep a soft gaze ahead. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand as they fill with fresh air. Hold the breath for a moment. Now slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing all tension. Repeat this deep cleansing breath 3 more times. As you breathe, allow yourself to be fully present. Let go of any thoughts about the past or worries about the future. All that matters is this moment, right here, right now. This is your time to connect with your inner self and prepare for a day of energy and motivation. Energizing visualization. Now that you're centered, let's begin a visualization to energize your mind and body. Imagine yourself standing at the start of a path. The sun is rising in the sky, casting a golden glow on everything around you. This is the path of your day, full of potential, excitement, and endless possibilities. As you walk down this path in your mind, feel the warmth of the sun energizing every part of your being. The sunlight represents your motivation, your inner drive, and the source of your energy. With every step you take, the sunlight fills you with more strength, clarity, and purpose. Visualize yourself moving through your day with ease and focus. You see yourself accomplishing your tasks, meeting challenges with confidence, and interacting with others with positivity and kindness. You feel empowered, motivated, and full of energy to take on whatever comes your way. Now, take a moment to hold this vision of yourself, the energized, motivated, and focused version of you, and let that image sink deep into your mind. Affirmations for energy and motivate. Let's now affirm this energy and motivation with some powerful affirmations. Repeat these silently or out loud and allow yourself to feel the truth in each statement. I am full of energy and motivation. I embrace this day with enthusiasm and excitement. I have the power to accomplish everything I set my mind to. My mind is clear, focused, and ready for the day ahead. I am motivated, determined, and unstoppable. My body is filled with vibrant energy, and I feel strong and healthy. I approach every challenge with confidence and a positive attitude. I am capable, resilient, and ready to make today amazing. I attract success and positivity with my thoughts and actions. This day is a gift, and I will make the most of every moment. As you repeat these affirmations, let the words resonate deeply within you. Feel the energy and motivation growing stronger with every breath, filling you with confidence and drive. Breathwork for energy and vitality. Now, let's focus on our breath to further energize our body and mind. We'll practice a simple breathing technique called breath of fire, which helps increase oxygen flow, clears the mind, and boosts energy levels. To begin, take a deep breath in through your nose, then exhale forcefully and quickly through your nose, pulling your navel towards your spine with each exhale. The inhale should be passive, while the exhale is active and forceful. Continue this rapid rhythmic breathing for 30 seconds to a minute, focusing on the breath and the sensations in your body. As you breathe, imagine your body filling with light and energy. Feel the vitality coursing through your veins, waking up every part of your body and mind. With each exhale, release any sluggishness or fatigue, and with each inhale, invite in fresh, vibrant energy. Now return to your normal breathing pattern, taking slow, deep breaths in and out. Notice how your body feels more awake, more alive, and more energized. Setting your intentions for the day. As we come toward the end of this meditation, it's time to set your intentions for the day. Intentions help us stay focused, motivated, and aligned with our goals. Think about what you want to accomplish today. It could be a specific task, a goal you're working towards, or simply the energy and mindset you want to carry throughout the day. Whatever it is, hold that intention in your mind and repeat it to yourself. For example, today I will approach every task with focus and determination. Today I will remain positive no matter what challenges come my way. Today I will use my energy to make progress towards my goals. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, solidify this intention in your mind. Know that you have the power to create the kind of day you want. You are in control of your energy, your focus, and your motivation. Closing the meditation. As we close this morning meditation, take a moment to feel gratitude for this time you've taken to connect with yourself. You've started your day by energizing your mind, body, and spirit, and you are now ready to embrace the day with motivation and purpose. Before you open your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, energizing air. Hold it for a moment. Now slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any remaining tension. Feel a sense of calm, clarity, and readiness. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a look around, knowing that you are full of energy and ready to take on the day. You are motivated, strong, and capable of achieving whatever you set your mind to. Remember, throughout your day, whenever you need a boost of energy or focus, you can return to these affirmations, visualization, or breath work. You have the tools within you to stay energized and motivated at any time. Thank you for joining this morning meditation for motivation and energy. Have a wonderful, productive, and energized day.